What's up, YouTubers? My name is Brennan. This is Super Nerd Hobbyist, and today I have been thinking about the Mandalorian, and I've been thinking about I want to do a full cosplay of him for this Halloween. So I'm gonna start early and do his armor, but first I'm gonna start with his blaster, since it's the smallest and easiest thing I could print in a short time. And you might notice I have a Mandalorian helmet up here. This is the Hasbro one, I think Death Watch. Uh that's all I really have. I've never made a suit and armor or bought a suit, so I've always wanted to. So now I'm going to try. So the blaster will be the first part of my armor, and I'll let you guys know when the next parts are coming out. So I'll show you where I got this file and how I printed it out and what it looks like now. So let's get to it. So this is the model I got for the Mando Blaster. They separated it by different colors. So you got silver parts, black. This is iridium metal. I'm just going to do bronze. And then matte brown for the handle. And a silver and black for the barrel. So, and then of course you got the bases for these, which I don't need for this because I'm just going to use it for my cosplay. So we're going to print each one of these, and I'm going to show you how long it's going to take. So this one will take about 21 minutes. This is about 3 hours. 10 minutes, 37 minutes, and 39 minutes. So not too bad, actually. So this shouldn't take us that long. And then we're going to go ahead and print it and then show what it looks like after. This is the way. Sorry guys, I couldn't resist, but this is the finished weapon. I think this looks pretty good. I added some scratch marks and some weathering with some metallic wax paint. I think it's called rub and buff. You just take a little bit and rub it on the edges to give it that worn down look. Or what I did was use a brush and just brush along the edges. And it made everything pop and look pretty good. So But yeah, hopefully you guys love this. I sure did. This is going to be my first part of my cosplay, so please let me know in the comments down below if you want me to make any more weapons like this or armor. I think in my next video I might do the chest armor and then the helmet. So we'll see. I'll keep you guys posted. Please watch my Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to keep updated to with my channel and or to keep updated. And hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope to make lots more like it. All right. See you guys. Bye.